YouTubers, today's Swamp Talk is about the intrusion of quote-unquote civilized or modern life on our psyche, our soul, our spirit, our body, our mind. It's so hard to find a place that you don't hear the reminders of human civilization. You could be in a beautiful place in the woods and an airboat noise comes by, an airplane, cars, trains, airplanes, and it's getting harder and harder to find places where you can just have complete solitude and just listen to the sounds, the most beautiful sounds in the world, the sounds of the wilderness. And it's sad that it's getting that way, that it's hard to find a place of serenity, just constant reminders and noise of quote-unquote civilization. So, my swamp talk is, if you can find a spot, there's a lot of beautiful spots you can find, but you hear all the noises and intrusions of people and their machines. So if you're lucky enough to find a spot that's away from all that, and you can really enjoy the serenity, you're a lucky person. And that's my swamp talk for today.